Hello, everyone. My name is Kamika Shaw, and I'm going to tell you about my thematic unit plan. My thematic unit plan is going to be over oceans, and the three content areas we'll be covering in my unit plan will be social studies, math, and science. In the social studies area about oceans, my students will learn about transportation, which ocean uses what to send where to which country, transportation. With math, they will be using, they will find out like the depth of each ocean, which one is the largest, which one is the smallest. With science, they'll learn about animals, plants, and also they'll learn about our responsibility in taking care of the different oceans. In my lesson plan, I will be covering science and social studies in my lesson plan. And in my lesson plan, my students will learn, it will be an introduction to the ocean. So they will learn what animals or organisms live in each different ocean. The end result of the lesson plan will be a poster that they will create for me. So to let me know that they've learned what they need to learn in the lesson plan, which is which organism, of course, belongs in which ocean. They will make the poster, cut out different organisms, paste the organisms on their posters, and they will also write down on top of the organism and of the picture which ocean the organism belongs into. So the lesson plan, it's a pretty good lesson plan. We'll also do a little discussion in the lesson plan also, just so I'll know that they got everything that they learn in the lesson. If they don't get everything, I will go back over the lesson plan and kind of tell them what they should have learned, and
we'll ask questions and all that kind of stuff to make sure they learned what they needed to learn in the lesson plan. A few books that I used in a lesson plan is The Magic School Bus on the Ocean Floor, and that book is by Joanna Cole, and it talks about a lot of things. It takes the children on a ride on the ocean floor so they can explore different things on the ocean floor and just kind of learn different things on the ocean floor, what belongs in the ocean. Another book that I used for my unit plan is it's called Ocean, American Museum of Natural History, and that is by Fabian Cousteau. And what that book is about, it takes the students on a journey throughout the ocean, and it includes pictures of different places, processes, and life that make the ocean what it is. It's a pretty interesting book, and I really think my students will enjoy the book. Another book that I used for my unit plan, it's called Awesome Ocean Science. And what that book is about, it is about the secrets of the underworld. And what this does, it kind of divides the book into 6 parts, and it provides a variety of different topics related to the understanding the ocean. Let's see, there are different activities and experiments that the students will do or either learn while reading this book. Let's see, another thing in my lesson plan is that my objectives for my lesson plan will be, or for my unit goal, my objectives is for my students to understand where each organism where they belong in the ocean, and also I want my students to understand what makes the ocean work, and how we as humans can keep the oceans clean.
also what animals and plants belong in the ocean, what kind of new animals that they haven't even discovered or they didn't even know about belong in the ocean, even what kind of plants belong in the ocean. So that's really what my unit plan is about. It's all about oceans, all about the water, about animals and plants, and some transportation, and how deep the ocean is. And I really hope my students will like the lesson plan. I want it to be fun and exciting, and it'll also teach me some new things about the ocean. So I hope I gave you enough information about what my unit plan is about. Thanks.